How to kill bugs on an ivy plant. Your ivy plant is susceptible to little critters, insects that enjoy nibbling on its leaves that can diminish the health of the plant and spread to nearby plants. Spider mites, aphids, scale and mealy bugs are attracted to ivy plants and will chew through the leaves and lay eggs in the soil. The insects gravitate to the plant due to the warm climate indoors, which is an escape from the freezing temperatures outside during the winter season. While you can use pesticides to rid your plant of the insects, they may permanently damage the plant. As an alternative, use household products to control insect infestations. Things you'll need: water pitcher, mild dishwashing liquid, medium-sized tub. Fill an empty water pitcher with cold water, and pour the water directly onto the leaves of the ivy plant. Gently lift the leaves to reach the underside, and pour cold water onto the leaves to rinse off spider mites. Spider mites live underneath the leaves and lifting them exposes the mites. Fill the medium-sized tub with cool water, and add 2 to 3 drops of mild dishwashing liquid to the tub. Mix the soap to create soapy water. Submerge the ivy leaves into the tub, and move them around in the solution to wash off the insects. Drain the tub and rinse it with hot water to prevent the bugs from reinfesting the plant. Wash the ivy plants in the soapy water solution weekly to control bug infestation.